Hello, Memahuma Kwaba Dzeba Channel Ido. Welcome back to Appedel's Multimedia. This is Fante with Ochechringi Appiamensa. In today's lesson, we will learn day names by the Fantes and their appellations. Day names by the Fantes and their appellations. You will wonder, what is an appellation? Well, according to the Collins English Dictionary, an appellation is a name or a title a person, place, or a thing is given. In Fante, we call appellation Huandzin, or Nsabran. First, we will look at male day names and their appellations. Male day names and their appellations by the Fante people. Let's start with Kwesida, and Kwesida is Sunday in English. Now, an Akan male born on Sunday has a day name called Kwesi, and Kwesi's appellation is Bodia. So you hear people call others Kwesi Bodia. So Kwesi is the day name and Bodia is the appellation. Now let's look at Monday. A Monday male Akan born is Kojo, and Kojo's appellation is Asira. So you usually hear Kojo Asira. An Akan male born on Tuesday is called Kobina, and Kobina's appellation is Ebo. So we have people called Kobinebo, where Kobina is their birthday name and Ebo is the appellation of Tuesday male borns in Akan. Now let's move to Wednesday. A Wednesday male Akan born will be Kweku. Now, Kweku's appellation, we have two of these, Abeku, and Bonsam. So usually have people call Kweku Bonsam, Kweku Abeku, or some people name day names, Akan day names or Fante day names. Instead of Kweku, they simply call that child Abeku. And Bonsam is the name of Satan. I don't know why our ancestors used this appellation for Kweku, Bonsam. Right. Let's come to my day name, Yao. Now, the appellation for Yao, we have two of them. We have Obomin. So we can have Yao Obomin, and another appellation is Prekon. Prekon is at once or at a go. So that is a Thursday male born, and his appellation. Now let's look at another Thursday male born, which the Fantes call this Kwao. Now the appellation for Kwao is Opirba. So Kwao Opirba. Let's have Friday. An Akan male born on Friday is Kofi, and Kofi's appellation will be Ntifor. So you have Kofi Ntifor. Now let's look at Saturday. We have Kwame, and Kwame's appellation is Atwapim, which simply means that when you get to them, you have ended. So Kwame Atwapim. Now let's look at another Saturday born, that is Kwamena, and Kwamena's appellation is Ato. So every Ato is Kwamena, and every Kwamena is Ato. So Ato is the appellation for Kwamena. That brings us to the end of today's lesson. Let us know your thoughts on today's lesson. Probably you have some questions that you may want to ask. You can do so in the comment section. And you would have to expect that next on this appellation lesson will be female day names. Okay, that is what we are bringing you next here on the channel. Please, if this is your first time here on the channel, you are being admonished to subscribe to the channel and share our content to others. Do not forget to also submit your comments, your thoughtful comments here on our lessons, and we'll be glad to read them and act accordingly on them. Until we meet again on another interesting lesson here on Fante, it's a bye-bye from me.